Hello friends, welcome to AdSense Gorilla. On this 11th of March 2021, you might have received a mail from Google AdSense regarding the tax information which all of you have to submit who are working as a YouTube creator, and otherwise their income will be deducted like 30% or 24%. So what is this? First we will understand this. So as early as June 2021, the US will be deducting US taxes from payment to all the creators outside US, and it will impact all the creators outside US like Indian and as well as other countries. So there are more, according to the latest data in India, it's like 1700 Indian YouTube channels with 1 million subscribers are there. So if the creators who are like 1700 Indian channel creators who, if they do not submit their data before 31st May, they will may have to pay 25% of their income, means 25% of their total earnings back to Google, so as tax. So those who will submit the tax info by 1st May to 2021, the rate will be 15% of the earnings for US earnings. Yes, for other earnings nothing will be deducted, only US viewership earnings there will be 15% tax on that. So just take care of this and do this, otherwise it will impact your earnings a lot. So let us understand what actually this is. Earnings from viewers in US, it's through ad views, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and other memberships, the channel which is giving. So all this would be taxable, which is being conducted in US. So if you do not do this, means if you do not submit your tax info by 31st May to 2021, what will happen? If you do not submit your tax info, 24% of your total earnings will be deducted as tax, not just US earning, all the earnings. So 24% of the earnings worldwide would be deducted as tax, and you will get, if you are getting 100 USD, you will get now only 76, right? So this would be the impact on if you do not submit it. The other case, if you submit your tax information, so according to Indian US tax treaty, the tax deduction will be 15%, and that 15% will also be only on the US viewership or US income. All other countries' income will not, there would be same, it will not, there will not be any deduction in that. And if you people think that you don't have any US viewership, you have just Indian viewership, you do not worry. Means then nothing would be deducted if you submit your tax info. If in case if you do not submit your tax info, 24% will be deducted again from Indian viewership if you do not submit your tax info, right? And the third case, you submit the tax info but you are not eligible for a tax treaty. This means it's for not Indians, for other countries. Means India is under a tax treaty. For that I have told you 15% would be deducted for only US viewership. So if your country does not fall under tax treaty, and you fill the final tax, and then the tax will be deducted at 30% of earnings from viewers from US. Like if you are from a country which is not under a tax treaty and you fill all your tax information and fill all the forms and submit your tax information, then only US viewership 30% tax will be deducted and nothing else. And these withheld taxes would be, you can see in your finalized income earnings in the AdSense payment transactions reports, etc. So just take care of this thing and submit it before time, friends. And now in the video I am going to show you how you have to do actual the procedure, how to fill the form. For India I am showing you in this video how you have to fill the form and what procedure you have to follow for India to reduce your tax liability to 15% for US viewers. So let's start the video. When you will log in into your AdSense account, you will see this kind of banner on the top of your AdSense account, and in this you will click on Manage Tax Info, and then you will see this kind of button, and then you click on Add Tax Info. Alternatively, you can go into your AdSense account, go to Payments and then Settings, and then you can do this kind of setting there also. Here you have to click on Individual, because you are an individual, and if you are a company you will click on non-individual. Now you have to take, if you are a citizen of India or a citizen of United States, as you guys know, then click on no. And then there are two forms. One is for individuals, non-US individuals, and one is for non-US companies. So we will click for non-US individuals. So we will click on this form, and then we will click on next, submit. Name of the individual, you have to fill out your name on which you have AdSense account, or on which PAN card you are going to add in it. And now you have to select the country, that is India, and then you have to enter foreign TIN. Foreign TIN is PAN number in India. So whatever is your PAN number, you have to enter your PAN number here for individual, and then you have to click on next for the next step. On this screen you have to enter your permanent residential address, your city, your PIN code and country and all those things. Country we have already selected, so we will enter the address here, and then we will select the town, city, and then country and all. So I am doing that in this. As you can see, I have added the address, then city is Delhi, and then I have to enter the PIN code here. Okay, now my postal code address is also same as my residential address. If you have it different, then you can click on that, but mine is same, so I will click it and click on next. Now here are the tax treaty. India and US is having a tax treaty, so when we will select our country India here, it would give us the tax treaty details. So we want to claim the reduced rates. Of course we want to claim, so we will select our country, and then we will click on yes. You want to click for that claim discounted rates, and we are residents of country outside India. Now these are the things we have to keep on mind. There are three types of things here: special rates and conditions, which you have to fill for discounted rates on taxes. So first one is services, that is our AdSense. In that we will click on this, and we have only one option, that is Article 7 paragraph 1, and withholding rate is 0, means no taxes would be deducted under this section. As you can see in this section, I will give you the link for this in the description also. Here is the Article 7 and paragraph 1, which says the business don't have to pay any taxes for this business profit. So this is the first clause which we will click, that is Article 7 para 1, and like this. Okay, the second part is motion picture and TV. This is the main part for us, that is for our YouTube earnings. If we want our YouTube earnings to be reduced at a to be deducted at a 15% rate, this is the article 12 of para 2A of Indian US tax treaty. We have to click on this on both the columns, and by doing this, our reduction of taxes would be 15% in after 31st May 2021. So we have to do this compulsorily to get reduced rate of taxes on our Google AdSense income. Now here are the US tax treaty, as you can see in the screen. So see this paragraph, I have highlighted it for you, which says 15% of the gross amount of royalties or fees which we would be earning through this Google AdSense YouTube earnings. So this rate would be applicable on our income for US in this US tax treaty. So here is the, and I will give the link for this in the description, as I have already told you, and you can read it there for your verification. And now you tick this box also and click on next, and here you can see the form we have filled, and you can download it and read it thoroughly. because in the next step you have to sign this form, you have to confirm it that it is right, and then click on next, and here is the certificate. Read it carefully. There is nothing more much in it, but you have to read it for all those things, and then you have to sign it. Means sign means you have to write your complete name here, and then you have to tick on yes, I am the person listed in the signature, and I am signing on my behalf, and then click on next, and you have to click on this no, because you are an individual, you are not an identity. And the next step is for the people who are having old AdSense account or a new AdSense account. So you have, if you have a new AdSense account, means you don't have not received any payment from AdSense, you have to click on the first link, and if you have already received payments from AdSense, you have to click on the second link, second button. So I am clicking on the second button because I have already received many payments in this AdSense account. So I have clicked on the second button, and here I am. And now here is the complete form which I am saying, means I have submitted, my tax info is submitted. Here it's a proof that it has been submitted successfully. So this way you have to submit your tax info, and it is compulsory. I have shown you completely in this video for India how we have to submit it, and how your taxes will be deducted at 15% in spite of 24% or 30%. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to the channel and keep watching for more information. The AdSense Gorilla. Thank you very much.